previous lecture we did sums based on distance and time, trips and weight. Now today we are going to do the sums on different type of mangoes. Here different types of mangoes are given: Totapuri, Alfonso, Kesar and Langur, and the rate of each type of mango is given here on the basis of per kg. That means Totapuri per kg rate is 40 rupees. Alfonso per kg rate is 60. Kesar per kg rate is 150 and Langur per kg weight is rupees 50. Jaideep Singh sells 8 kg Kesar mango. How much does he get? How much amount does he get? If Jaideep is selling Kesar mangoes 8 kg. Now the price of Kesar mango 1 kg is rupees 50. So we will do the sum. How much will he get by selling 8 kg mangoes? As I told you earlier, whatever the amount we have to find, we will write it on the right side. So weight and how much amount, we have to find the rate. Weight of 1 kg Kesar mangoes is rupees 150. It is already given in the table. Rupees 150. Now we have to find out the rate of 8 kg mangoes. So we will do the cross multiplication. 150 multiplied by 8 and it is divided by 1. 150 multiplied by 8. 8 zeros are 0. 8 fives are 40. 4 carry over. 8 ones are 8 and plus 4 is 1200. So the answer will be rupees 1200. How much amount does he get? He gets rupees 1200 by selling 8 kg Kesar mangoes. A similar example is given here. Madhuban sells 10 kg Totapuri mango. How much amount does she get? So the rate of Totapuri mangoes is, Totapuri it is rupees 40. So 1 kg rupees 40. What will be the cost of 10 kg? Cross multiplication, 10 multiplied by 40 divided by 1. 4 ones are 4 and 2 zeros we will put here. So the rate of 10 kg Totapuri mangoes will be rupees 400. There is no need to write the statements on the sums based on table. In problem sums we should write the statement, but here it's okay if we do the sum. Now third sum, Mahipad Bhai buys 6 kg Alfonso mango and Jaideep Bhai buys 4 kg Langur mango. How much amount do they pay individually to the shopkeeper? Mahipad Bhai Alfonso के मैंगोज बाय कर रहे हैं और जयदीप भाई लंगड़ों के. इन दोनों के अलग अलग कितने पैसे वो शॉपकीपर को देंगे वो हमको बताना है. सो फर्स्ट हम लोग सॉल्व करेंगे महिपत भाई का. महिपत भाई बाइज what does he buy? Alfonso. The rate of Alfonso is 60 rupees per kg. He buys 6 kg. Therefore, what will be the rate of 6 kg mangoes? 60 multiplied by 6 and divide by 1. 6 6 are 36 and 1 0. So, Mahipad Bhai buys mangoes of rupees 360. Now we will calculate about for Jaideep Bhai. Jaideep Bhai buys Langur mango and its rate is rupees 50 per kg. How much he buys? He buys 4 kg of mangoes. So again we will do the cross multiplication and get the answer. 4 5 is 20 and 1 0 we will add here. Rupees 200. So Jaideep Bhai buys mangoes of rupees 200. Now question 4. Raj buys 4 kg Totapuri mango and Manoj buys 1 kg Kesar mango. Who will pay more? How much? Sorry, here 1 kg nahi, 2 kg. So Raj buys 4 kg Totapuri mango. Rate of Totapuri mangoes is rupees 40. He buys 4 kg of Totapuri mangoes. So the answer will be 4 4s are 16 and 1 0. He buys Totapuri mangoes for rupees 160. Now we will find Manoj. How much Manoj buys? Manoj buys Kesar mangoes and the rate of this Kesar mangoes is rupees 150 per kg. He buys 2 kg of Kesar mangoes. So he will pay 150 multiplied by 2. That means 15 2 is 30 and one more 0. He pays 300 rupees. Now what is the question here? Who will pay more? किसने ज़्यादा पैसे पे किए? So by this we can see that Manoj has paid more. How much? 300 rupees and Raj has paid rupees 160. So we will write here as the question is Manoj pays more rupees. And how we will find that? How much we have to find that? So Manoj pays rupees. First we will write Manoj pays rupees 300 and Raj pays rupees 160. Now we have to find the difference. How much Manoj pays more? So we will minus it. The difference is of rupees 140. So Manoj pays rupees 140 more than Raj. Okay, the sum is completed. The question was who will pay more? Manoj will pay more. How much? Rupees 140 he will pay more. Now question number 5. Madhuban buys 10 kg Kesar mango and gives a note of rupees 2000 to the shopkeeper. Then how much amount will the shopkeeper return to him? To her, sorry. मधुबन ने 10 केजी केसर मैंगोज खरीदे और शॉपकीपर को 2000 की नोट दी. अब शॉपकीपर उनको कितने रिटर्न करेगा? दैट वी हैव टू फाइंड द आंसर. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल फाइंड कि मधुबन ने 10 केजी मैंगोज कितने में खरीदे. मधुबन ने केसर मैंगोज खरीदे. What is the rate of Kesar mangoes? 150 per kg. And she bought 10 kg Kesar mangoes. So what will be the answer? 150 multiplied by 10. 15 ones are 15 and 2 zeros we will put here. So she bought it for rupees 1500. कितने में खरीदे 1500। तो ये कैलकुलेशन तो बिल्कुल सिंपल है। आप लोग भी बाजार में से कुछ लेने जाते हैं तो आपको पता है कि 2000 पे करेंगे और 1500 रुपीज अगर हमने स्पेंड किया है तो हमको कितने की नोट वापस मिलेगी, दैट इज ₹500, बट दैट वी हैव टू शो हियर इन रिटन फॉर्म। Madhuban pays to shopkeeper ₹2000. Madhuban buys mangoes of ₹1500. So 2000 minus 1500 is 500. That we will show in calculation. Now the shopkeeper will return ₹500 to Madhuban. Understood? Now the concept is clear of this table.